Welcome to Amsterdam, Schipol Airport.
24 hours in Amsterdam starts now. Well, isn't this pretty? And this is just the train station area, which is normally the worst looking area of a city. But it's very pretty here. We're gonna do a 7-minute walk to the hotel, drop our bags off, and then dive into the sightseeing. And by sightseeing, I mean eating all of the Dutch goodies
Febo.
and snacks. And want a Febo. That's a cool looking building. It looks like it's going to fall forward. Our digs for the night. Looks posh.
This is the room we just literally walked in.
Yeah, very early. Van Gogh. Is that Van Gogh?
I said we'd be here at 10. It's like 9:30 and the room was ready. And I wasn't even expected to be ready at 10.
You've got a big comfy bed.
It is a big, it looks, I don't know, it's comfy, it's big. It's big enough to share.
And my
if you
bed's
want.
not out yet, but I think that's it.
How about we make sure it's a bed, otherwise we'll move rooms.
Yeah.
I think it is.
This is a pretty cool hotel though.
It is funky looking.
Yeah, funky. It's got a nice, is it a nice smell? I don't know if it's a nice smell.
It's not
got
a bad smell.
Yeah.
It's not a bad smell. It is a smell.
Let's go and find a stroopwaffle. I think this building's pretty cool. I don't know what attracted me to it. Any guesses? These are some cool buildings. That's a shopping centre. Looks like the train station a little bit. I found stroopwafels. I'm gonna wait. Although I think those Mellys are meant to be good, but I'm gonna wait. There's so many cool buildings in Amsterdam. Debenkolf. Must be a department store, maybe. Okay, let's get some fries. This one's also famous. Manenkinpis Fries.
Manenkinpis.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like extra mayo?
No, no mayo.
Got my Manenkinpis Fries, but I only have 2 hands. Nice and crispy and fluffy though. I got fruit sauce and andalousy sauce. Okay, let's try the andalousy sauce. It was €8.15. I don't know what that flavour is. The mayonnaise is good though. How are your frites?
I picked the right one.
Smoky cheese sauce.
With onions all over it.
With onions. You love onions.
Love onions.
Once you go home, you can't have them.
Right.
Yeah. Fill your boots. We're on the hunt for stroops now.
Sure, not too far. Hard to find stroops.
We've stopped in Pat's. We'll just call it Pat's. I can't say the surname. For some bueno Dutch pancakes. We were looking for stroopwaffle, but we ended up here. Chewy and crispy and sweet and sugary. That's nice. So we went to Melly's stroopwafels after the pancakes. I've got a warm, fresh one and a pack to take home. $16.50 for the 2. I wanted to see it freshly made, but you couldn't in there. You have to do the workshop class thing. Look at all the caramel.
Oh, that's nice.
This is going to be a sticky mess.
Probably.
Yeah.
Oh. Would you expect any less? You don't like it?
I love it.
Oh.
Oh. Fresh ones are good.
Yeah?
I've only ever had like the ones that they sell everywhere. Finished with that delicious stroopwaffle, but that building looks like it's fallen over to the side. So it had too much time in the cafes, coffee shops. I don't know. Just paid €16.50 and we're going to go on one of these and have a look. Do a little tour, do a little dance, get down this afternoon.
Relax and enjoy the cruise.
Otherwise referred to as the famous Skinny Bridge, stretches all the way across the Amstel River. Of Amsterdam's 1,500 or so bridges, this is the most famous. It dates back to the 17th century and was likely a narrow footbridge. Since then, it's been reconstructed more than once and grown wider with age.
That was so relaxing. At the end, I'm like,
I was
Amsterdam.
playing the music. I was like, I'm gonna go to sleep. Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah, it was nice. It was very nice.
You know what we need now? More sugar.
Or maybe a coffee.
With
sugar
in it?
Nah, I don't like sugar.
Amsterdam is such a picturesque city. The buildings are just fantastic. And the streets and trying to dodge the cyclists. I keep checking behind me because I feel like, ooh. You want a drink?
Maybe. Where to?
Cheese fondue restaurant.
You know what? Watch out, bike.
Do you want a cheese fondue
Do
restaurant?
they have Amstel beer? Just Amstel?
Yeah.
Oh, no, Grolsch is good.
No, Grolsch is not good.
I do like Grolsch.
Where are we?
Febo.
Febo.
It's like a vending machine thing. You get burgers. You get almost anything here,
They look terrible.
and it's
be
not
fair.
expensive at all. It's
Is
good.
it?
It's good for a late night snack. And I got this thing. It's like a cheese pastry.
2 o'clock in the afternoon. That's not a late night snack. What's the cheesy thing like?
Nice. Like a big mozzarella stick.
Sounds dry.
It's crunchy. It's a flat pastry with cheese.
Okay. Did you like your chili cheeseburger?
I kind of did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's no Supermax, is it?
No, but it's good. Good for what it is.
We're in a cheese shop. There's cheese shops on every corner.
Oh,
This one, I tried this one. Don't know what it is, but it was good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want wasabi.
You should try wasabi. You should try
No.
the black one.
Black lemon, no. Maybe try the smoked one.
Smoked Gouda.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, I like that. I'm not a fan of Heineken at all. Like, I genuinely really don't like Heineken. But that one, which is a 750-year-old special one for the life of
They've been
Amsterdam.
saving that one for a long time.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Chocolate ganache.
Is that? Oh, is this the
Ooh.
place you wanted to go to?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Irish pub.
There's a spa over there.
I just nearly fell over the cobbles.
And an
We
Irish
shouldn't do
pub.
that.
Oh, well, remind me of the time we were in an Irish pub.
We still need to find Tony Chocolonely.
I think you're making that up.
No, I'm not. Promise.
Okay. We made it to Tony's something.
Chocolonely Superstore. They don't make it easy to find. They do not. Let's go and buy some chocolate. It smells like chocolate.
That's the idea.
Oh, cinnamon. What's this? White cinnamon sugar disco dip. There's lots of chocolate to choose from. Which one should we get? I bought too much chocolate. Too much chocolate. But
Okay,
it was
so that
3
was
plus 1,
fun.
so
Yeah.
I got chocolate I didn't want instead of the ones I did pick up. But, yeah.
Did you say
It's
you
got
bought
weird
too
names,
much?
and I'll see what they taste like.
Oh my
What did you
goodness.
go for?
Oh, let's turn that on, huh?
It's on.
Oh, it is on.
Yeah.
I went for a minty chocolate chip. No, minty candy cane. And then just a normal milk chocolate one. Oh, enough people say you know they can't believe.
I'm in the Dutch bobsled team.
Yeah, look at that. That's perfect. I don't know what we're in line here for.
Cookies, apparently. Apparently these are really, really
I mean,
famous and good, so...
it does smell good, but we don't know if they're really cookies or if we're in line and they're just going to punch us in the face when we get there.
We'll find
And
out.
that was it. Honestly, I'm not sure what we're in line for.
Any idea what we've just queued 30 minutes for?
It smells amazing. I don't know. Probably cookies, but
I think they only sell one cookie in here.
this better be the best cookie in the entire world.
Maybe 2? Definitely 1. No more than 2, I don't think.
They're €3 each or €15 for 6.
Do you want 6?
Maybe. Will it come in a funky box?
Yeah.
I'll bring them home.
So why did we queue for half an hour?
I don't know. This better be the best cookie ever.
It's kind of warm still.
That's good.
Once a month. It's pretty good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I believe you. The way you said that, it was deep.
Yeah. It's different. Very chocolatey. What's going on with this face? Like, why? Is it meant to be the water like dissolving them, or are they just crying out of their heads? It's interesting but weird. Somebody tell me down below. We found a ramen place, and me and Aunt love ramen, so see what Dutch ramen's like. Gets good reviews here. Oh, what we're getting? Food?
Oh wow, there's a lot of different versions.
Yapa nasi peach. That's good. That's nice. Spicy gyozas. Very hot. The spice is only a little bit, but they're physically very hot. Been freshly deep fried. Let's try this ramen. Mix all the spice. Needs to be spicier. That was not the best.
Oh no.
Not the best ramen.
No. No. You don't want to go to the bathroom there.
No, but it's filled us up. We're gonna head back to the hotel and chill out for a bit.
Yeah.
Because we've got to be up early to get back to the airport for our 24 hours.
We deserve to chill out.
Yep.
Feels weird that we just got here today.
Okay, let's go and chill out in the lounge.
Okay.
It's now the next morning after, actually, not too bad a night's sleep. But we need to head back to the airport, and that's where this video will end. The reverse journey to where it started. I'd highly recommend the Renaissance in Amsterdam City. If you're looking for a really nice hotel, the Renaissance was very nice. I've made it back to the airport and I'm off to departures. I've just left my friend Ant. Thank you for a wonderful 24 hours in Amsterdam and a brilliant week overall. And I hope you guys have enjoyed these few videos. I'll be back with some more Christmas and happy videos to end the year before the next big trip in January. Keep making memories. I'll catch you later.